Hello, my name is Viviana Martin, and I'm the Director of Pro Artistry for Kevin Aquan Beauty. Today, I have the lovely Tina here with me.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for being here.
Of course.
You know, we're going to be talking about the importance of color matching with the Sensual Skin Enhancer Concealer. What are your main concerns in a concealer?
I want to say I worry the most about under eye circles. It's always like when you had a really late night, you have to get up early, you just don't know what to do.
Yeah.
And occasionally I will get blemishes too.
So today, I'm going to address those two concerns with two simple tricks.
I love that.
When you're looking for a concealer, you want to look for something 1 to 2 shades lighter than your
Got it.
natural skin tone. I think I'm going to go with the number 9 concealer. So I just take a little bit and I just dot it on. And that's what's going to neutralize that blue undertone underneath the eye. I believe that the number 7 concealer is going to be the best one to color match for your skin.
Try it.
I'm going to be using the Duet concealer brush because you could apply with this and then you could also blend out with it. And this way, you don't have to use anything else. This is all you really need.
I love it. It looks super natural. It took you no time.
In comparison to one
Yeah,
side and the other.
definitely.
You see a big difference.
Absolutely.
It's a great concealer.
Yeah, thank you.
You're so welcome, thank you.